In this chapter, we'll be discussing about cyclical industries. So, a cyclical industry is a type of industry that is sensitive to business cycles. Okay, so such industries will be having high revenues in period of economic prosperity and lower revenues in periods of economic downturn. How the companies deal with the type of volatility is like they implement layoffs. Layoffs means job cuts. During bad times, they do that, and during good times, they pay bonuses and hire in large numbers. So industries that focus on non-essential products face the biggest risk of revenue because during period of contraction, economic contraction, people will be putting off spending on those non-essential products. Like for example, airline industry, tourism industry, restaurant industry. So when prices increase, what people do? People, for example, to take the airline industry, in good times, people will be having more disposable income. They'll be willing to take vacations, going abroad and all. During bad times, people will be putting off those expenses. So that industry is very sensitive to business cycle. Okay, airline industry, hotel, tourism, restaurant industry. So industries involved in production durable goods such as raw materials and heavy equipment tend to be cyclical. So cyclical stocks means the stocks of company we discussed about share markets earlier. So stocks of those companies which are in this cyclical sector, those industries, those are cyclical stocks. Okay, the share price of such cyclical stocks will be sensitive to swings in the economic conditions. So for example, cyclical sectors are metals, capital goods, auto, cement. All these are cyclical stocks. For example, why for example steel or cement is cyclical is we discussed earlier about business cycle. Okay, so economy goes through expansion and contraction. So during good times, when the economy is in a expansionary cycle, so companies will be expanding. They'll be building new projects and also they need a lot of cement and steel. So usually these are very cyclical industries, cement and steel. So once the economy comes in a downturn again, they'll be putting off, they'll not be taking up any new projects. So demand for cement and steel will be going down. So in that way, these are cyclical sectors. So in this chapter, the questions will be prepared. What is a cyclical industry? How do companies in cyclical industries handle volatility? So during good times, they'll be manufacturing more, they'll be hiring a lot of people, and during contraction, they'll be employing job cuts, okay, and decreasing production. So give some examples of cyclical industries and give some examples of cyclical stocks.